Money is changing because of AI. Passive income is now digital reality. Online income is easier than ever. Wealth building is becoming automated today. AI is creating new money opportunities daily. Smart people are moving into AI fast. You can join them starting today. Stay here because this gets better. Most people want online income badly. Many people try crypto or forex first. Many lose money learning the hard way. Some quit making money online forever. Others think online income is fake. That belief is costing people wealth. The internet pays more than jobs, but only if you understand systems. Here is what most people miss. AI companies need human testers badly. AI cannot fully test itself yet. Humans must check results for quality. Humans must rate answers for accuracy. Humans must simulate real user behavior. That is where money opportunity exists, and it is growing very fast. Companies train AI using human feedback. They pay testers for simple tasks. You test chatbots and tools daily. You review AI-generated business content. You rate search and voice responses. You check translation and writing tools. Simple work can create steady cash flow. Some people scale this into income streams. Now listen carefully to this part. Beginners can start without tech skills. You do not need coding knowledge. You do not need expensive computers. You only need internet and consistency, and basic understanding of instructions. That is why many beginners succeed. That is why this is exploding globally. Step 1 is joining testing platforms. Search for AI testing job websites. Apply using simple profile information. Complete beginner qualification assessments. Start with small paid testing tasks. Build experience and positive ratings. Higher ratings unlock higher paying projects. That means more money per hour. Step 2 is learning prompt skills. Prompting means asking AI smart questions. Better prompts create higher quality responses. Higher quality testers earn better pay. You can learn prompts in days. Practice improves speed and accuracy. Companies reward fast, accurate testers. Speed plus quality equals higher income. Step 3 is stacking income sources. Never rely on one platform only. Top earners use 3 platforms minimum. Some advanced testers use 5 platforms. This creates stable monthly income flow. If one slows, others still pay. That is smart online income strategy. Diversification protects your cash flow. Step 4 is tracking best paying tasks. Finance AI testing usually pays higher. Business AI training also pays higher. Technical data testing pays even more. Focus on high-value task categories. Avoid low-paying repetitive testing jobs. Time should create maximum income possible. Smart workers track hourly profit constantly. Now imagine a simple daily routine. Morning 1 hour testing chatbot responses. Afternoon reviewing AI marketing content quality. Evening rating AI search result accuracy. Each hour could pay $15. Some advanced tasks pay $25. 3 hours daily becomes serious money that can build strong monthly online income. Some people scale beyond testing work. They become AI workflow consultants later. They help companies improve AI performance. Consultants can earn very high rates. That requires experience and strong results. Testing is the entry door. Opportunity. Many ignore this early stage chance. Smart people enter before competition increases. The future is moving toward AI economy. Jobs are slowly changing toward automation. But new AI jobs appear every month. Testing AI is early adopter advantage. Early movers usually build the most wealth. Late movers fight heavy competition later. Timing matters in digital income. Trends. Right now timing is still very good.